Are you ready to make your first rental property investment in Dubai? As a licensed realtor and a certified international property specialist, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to buy your first rental property in Dubai, from choosing the right location to maximizing your rental income. Let's get started. The first step in buying your first rental property investment in Dubai is to ensure you're working with a certified international property specialist and a licensed realtor like myself who can guide you through the entire process A through Z. It's not just about finding a property, it's about having the resources you need, such as property managers, who will help you every step of the way, from securing tenants to managing your investment. Next, it's important to explore your time frame and specific investment goals with your real estate agent. Are you looking for long-term rental income or short-term Airbnb opportunities? Based on your goals, we'll work together to identify the top areas and, importantly, the top developers that will ensure a maximization of your rental income potential. And please note that I have covered this topic in depth on the Dubai Connect podcast. In one particular episode, I partnered with a top property rental management company to walk you through steps A through Z of maximizing your rental income.
We are a specialized short-term rental management company, managing just closing in on 1,000 units globally.
Incredible.
Operating between 3 cities in South Africa, Dubai, and we just expanded into Lisbon, Portugal as well.
Be sure to subscribe and check it out for even more insights. Now, let's get back to talking about finding the right off-plan project, because this is where the magic happens. By getting in at 20 to 30% pre-construction pricing, you're not just earning rental income, you're also benefiting from that capital appreciation income. Those are 2 sources of income. Once you've chosen your ideal property, you'll then place an EOI. This is a very strong step in the process. An EOI is an expression of interest. And with Dubai being such a high demand, low supply market, especially for desirable properties, you'll want to ensure that you're using this strategy to secure your unit. On launch day, assuming your chosen unit is available, you'll then proceed with a 20% deposit and a one-time 4% Dubai Land Department fee. You'll then be on a 0% interest rate payment plan with the developer, where your payments go into an escrow account to protect your investment during construction. Typically, construction takes around 3 years. Before handover, you'll have the option to secure financing for the final payment or pay it off in cash. And here's the best part. Once your property is ready, you can start renting it out, whether through short-term platforms like Airbnb or long-term 1-year contracts. Dubai's rental regulations are digitized, safe, and globally recognized for protecting global investors. And remember, there are no property taxes or capital gains taxes in Dubai. With competitively high rental rates compared to most major markets globally, and a tax-free environment, Dubai really is the city of the future. There's no better time to start building your wealth through investment and passive income than now. So, are you ready to start your journey towards owning your first rental property in Dubai? My team and I are here to help you make it happen. Please subscribe to the Dubai Connect podcast and check out my videos for more tips. And reach out to me personally for expert guidance. Let's build your wealth in the city of the future.